Have you ever wanted to take an online course with me? First things first, unbelievable cuteness. Oh, my baby. I'm Brandy Vaselski, the Quilter on Fire, and I am teaching one of my favorite workshops online. It's called Colorways, and I'm teaching for Quilt Fest Virtual Schoolhouse number 8 on March 20th, all day long. The supplies are so easy. You'll need some kind of base. It can be a canvas or wood cradle. Also, we'll be using all your scraps, and if you look really closely, there are wool, embellishments, laces, all those fun little bits of things you've been collecting all these years. You get to use them up. It's a full day of creative play. It's so juicy and fun. And you're taking it from the comfort of your own home, so you have all of your stuff. Go to the link in my bio. It's the very first one right at the top. You can click the link and sign up today. Plus, there's 2 classes to choose from. See you there.